In this brand new video, you will now discover conditional statements in Python, its syntax and how to properly use logical and comparison operators, so you can control the execution flow of your program. Please, do not forget to smash that like button, for the YouTube algorithm, since it does really help supporting us, and providing new free content, once a week. Are you interested to be part of this community? All the links are in the description below. Now, let's play this video. Conditional expressions. Python supports one additional decision-making entity, called a conditional expression, or even ternary operator. In its simplest form, the syntax of the conditional expression is as follows. Expression 1, if, conditional expression, else, expression 2. This is quite different from the if statement forms, listed earlier. Because it is not a control structure, that directs the flow of execution of your program. Instead, it acts more like an operator, that defines an expression. In the example, this conditional expression is evaluated first. If it is true, the expression evaluates to expression 1. And if it is false, then it evaluates to the expression 2. Notice the non-obvious order. The middle expression is evaluated first, and based on that result, one of the expressions or values, on the ends, is returned. As you may have guessed, a common use of the conditional expression is for variable assignment. Example. Here are some other examples that will, hopefully, help you clarify this concept of conditional expressions. In the very first example, raining has a Boolean value of false. Thus, the expression, if not raining, is true, and results in returning the left value of the conditional expression, which is beach. Consequently, it will print, let's go to the beach. On the other hand, when raining has a Boolean value of true, the conditional expression is false, which results in printing out, let's go to the library. Okay? Let's pause this video and analyze the other examples, if you want to. If you liked this video, please, do not forget to give a thumb up, and subscribe our channel. Digital Academy, learn free. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Like, comment, and share.